The Incident of the Letter. Chapter 5. The characters are Mr. Utterson, Mr. Poole, Mr. Jekyll, and the guest. Mr. Utterson arrived to Mr. Jekyll's laboratory. He was received by Mr. Poole in the doctor's cabinet. As soon as Mr. Poole left, Mr. Utterson asked Mr. Jekyll for if he heard the news. Something happened to the friend Carew. Dr. Jekyll's name could appear on the trial. Mr. Jekyll received the letter and told Mr. Utterson to read it. He didn't know if he should give it to the police. The letter was from Mr. Hyde. It said that Dr. Jekyll needed labor under no alarm for his safety. The lawyer liked the letter well enough, so Mr. Utterson suggested to return it to the lawyer. Mr. Jekyll shut his mouth tight and nodded, so Mr. Utterson realized that Hyde meant to kill him. Before leaving, Mr. Utterson asked Mr. Poole for the appearance for the person who delivered the letter. He said nothing had come except by the post. Mr. Utterson was consulted by his guest. He gave him the letter of Mr. Jekyll, and they were reading it when a servant entered with a note, and the guest started comparing the letter with the note, and he realized that it was the same letter, that it was from Mr. Jekyll. When Mr. Utterson was alone, he locked the letter into his safe, and then realized that Mr. Jekyll forged for a murder.